Today I'd like to talk a little bit about USAID's new environmental program. USAID just launched an environmental program worth more than $20 million. What is special about this environmental program? We understand that in Madagascar and all over the world, it's not just about the environment. It's about the people and the people who live in and around the unique environment that makes Madagascar special. The newly launched program, Untitled, which is over $20 million, is a 5-year program that will help empower local communities to have a greater role in managing the natural resources in their area. It will help the Madagascar people in knowledge management, in understanding what works and how best to conserve the environment while empowering communities. It will help link communities throughout the country so that they can work together and understand the issues that they're facing. And it will link them to decision makers at higher levels of government so that their voices are heard when it comes to conservation. What do the Malagasy people get from this program? Everyone in the world understands that the environment in Madagascar is unique. It is part of Madagascar's patrimony, its heritage. This program will help the Malagasy people preserve their unique heritage, and in doing so, preserve their identity. It will empower them and give them a greater say in how they can best work together to preserve Malagasy heritage. The program will be implemented with technical experts, we call implementing partners, working with local communities. It's by working with local communities that we can help empower them and give them a greater role in managing their natural resources. So I'm very proud that USAID can support the people of Madagascar in preserving this environmental resources and their unique heritage. Thank you.